Right, good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about number systems. So number systems, again the numbers are in our real life we are going to use the numbering system. So generally we people are familiar with decimal number system, right? Whatever the numbers we are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all the decimal numbers. And here we people are familiar with decimal numbers. So basically here we are going to see the numbering system. I think you people are having the background knowledge of mathematics, so you are very familiar with numbers. And here we are going to see once again the numbering system. Okay, these are all the known topics, so I am going to brief out all those topics. So decimal system, binary system, octal system, hexadecimal system. So decimal in the sense, so these are the tens, and binary numbers are 2, octal 8, hexadecimal 16. Yes or no? So decimal system in the sense, here we are going to write any number with 10, binary 2, octal 8, hexadecimal 16. So we are going to deal with 4 different types of numbering systems. So let's see. Binary number system. So the system can understand only 2 states, that is on state and off state. So either present or absent, fail or pass, like this. Only it can identify 2 status, two states. So for that purpose we are going to use the binary number system. Already you are aware of it. Binary in the sense there are 2 numbers, 0 and 1. So with the help of zeros and ones we are going to have the binary system. And see this. Why binary? So there is a representation for on and off. 1 is the representation for on and 0 is the representation for off. Okay, using these 2 states the machine can understand the instructions. So whatever the data, in order to provide to the system, what we need to do, we need to convert it into binary so that the binary instructions can be given to the system as an input. And next is octal. So in the octal system we are going to use 8 digits, 0 to 7. So starting with 0 and 7, and whenever we are going to get the 8, how can we write the 8? 8 ones are 8. So what is the representation? 1 0 will be the representation for 8. And for 9, dividing with 8. 8 ones are 8, remainder 1. 1 1 is the representation for 9. And what is the representation for 10? Again 8 ones are 8, 2. 1 2 is the representation for 10. See this, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. Okay, so these are the octal system. And hexadecimal in the sense 0 to 9 numbers we are going to use, and 10 is the representation with A, and B for 11, and C for 12, D for 13, E for 14, F for 15. So total 0 to 15, hexadecimal in the sense. So 0 to 15 in the sense, here we are going to use A to F, right? So this is the hexadecimal representation. And so these are the hexadecimal numbers, these are the octal numbers, these are the decimal numbers, these are the binary numbers. Okay, so hexa in the sense 16. Conversions. How can we convert decimal to binary, binary to decimal, and binary decimal to octal, octal to decimal, and decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and the same way binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal. So all those conversions we are able to see. I think you are having the knowledge on these. So decimal to binary. How can we convert the decimal number into binary number? so that is easy for you. Already you are having, suppose 20 is a decimal number, right? How can we convert into binary? Just dividing with 2. 2 tens are 20, remainder 0. Next 2 5s are 10, remainder 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder what? 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. Like this we need to write, right? 1 0 1 0 0 base 2. So 20 is the base 10 decimal number. Equivalent number is 10100. Yes or no? So this is the way we are going to use the decimal to binary. Suppose how to convert the binary to decimal? Same. So binary here you need to write like this and multiplying with 2's. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. That means 2 to the power of 4 into 1 plus 2 to the power of 3 into 0 plus 2 to the power of 2 into 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 into 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0. So anything with 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 plus 4, 20. This is the way we are going to convert. Here we have seen decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Clear? I hope you people are having the knowledge on these concepts. That's why I am right. Next, where we are. So divide the given decimal number with base 2, write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 2. Repeat the step until it comes 0. So this is the way we are going to write the decimal to binary conversion, right? And so binary to decimal, just now I told you. So that is the way we are going to convert to binary to decimal. Here decimal 200 is going to be converted as like this. Okay, 230 divided చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి చూడండి. 250s are 225s are 212s are 26s are 23s are, and reverse order you need to write. Okay, in the same way what we are going to see, binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Binary to decimal conversion. So already just now I told you. So it is multiplying with 2 to the powers. Okay, 0 to by increasing 1 by 1. So we are, suppose the binary digit is some 101. What we can do? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. So 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 4. 4 is the representation for decimal. So like this we are going to convert the binary to decimal. And see this. This is the binary number. And here you need to start with from left side 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this we need to convert the binary into decimal. And next decimal to octal. So how to convert the decimal number into octal? How to convert? Suppose decimal number 40. How can we convert? Just divide it with 8. Instead of 2, here we are going to divide it with 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 zeros are 5. So 0 5 0 is the representation in octal. Like this we need to convert decimal to octal, similar to binary. See 266, here we are going to convert 8 33s are 2 remainder, 8 4s are 1 remainder, 412. 412 is the representation for 266 decimal number, right? And octal to decimal. So again the same thing. Suppose if any octal number is given, what we need to do, earlier we have seen 412. So just you need to write 412, 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2. 8 square into 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 8 1 into 2. 2 plus 8 plus 64 fours are 64 fours are 256 plus 10, 266, right? So just now you can check it out. 266, right? We got 266 from this. So this is the way we are going to convert octal to decimal. And coming to just now I told you, 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2. Octal to binary. So in order to convert octal representation in binary, so octal in the sense 2 to the power of 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 cubed. So that's why here we are going to take for every octal representation 3 binary representations. So why? Because 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8 kada. So for each and every octal number we need to convert individual digits into binary representation. That's it, very simple. And if it is 5431, 5 101, 4 100, 3 011, 1 001, like this we need to convert. And next binary to octal, again reverse. So whatever the binary number, we need to divide into 3 parts, each 3 part into individual group the binary digits into 3 starting at the least significant bit. You can only start jayali. First 3 bits, next 3 bits, next, like this we need to convert into octal, binary to octal. Next decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal in the sense 16, whatever the number which we are giving, suppose 256, how to convert into hexadecimal? Just divide it with 16. Okay? And see there, 423, 16 26 are 7 reminders, 16 ones are 10 is the representation for A. So 01 A7 is the 1 A7 base 16 will be the representation for 423. Like this we need to convert a decimal into hexadecimal. And same reverse hexadecimal, 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. And binary to hexadecimal. So for binary to octal, what we are going to do, from least significant bit nunchi 3 separate chesam ga, ippudu 4 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. So that's why 4 numbers we need to convert into hexadecimal. And same thing, hexadecimal to binary, 4 digits are going to be converted into hexadecimal. That's it. This is about numbering system. So here what we have discussed, what is the numbering system, and the important points are, numbering systems are classified into binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal. Binary in the sense only 2 digits, zeros and 1. Decimal in the sense 0 to 10. So that means 0 to 9, 10 digits. Octal in the sense 0 to 7, that means 8 digits. And hexadecimal 0 to 15, total 16 digits. And 10 is a representation for A, and 15 will be represented with F. Okay. And next, how to convert the binary to decimal, decimal to binary, binary to decimal conversion. Same decimal to octal, octal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal. These are the conversions which are placed major important. and then binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. So these are the conversions which we have discussed. Just once again go through the slides. If you find any difficulty, you can raise your doubts. Thank you.